Hello, my name is Claire, and today I will be teaching you how to make a sound on the trumpet, which should look similar to this. You can make a sound on the trumpet by buzzing your lips while blowing air through a mouthpiece, which should look similar to this. By the way, it's important to note that there's many sizes for the mouthpiece, and there's also different colors for the mouthpiece. I would definitely recommend a size 5 or a 7 to beginners because it's a bit smaller, so it would be easier to vibrate your lips while you're connecting it to the mouthpiece, which should make it easier to make a sound on the trumpet. And in order to change your notes, you can adjust your jaw, your airspeed, change your tongue position, press or not press your valves, which should look like these, and tighten or relax your lips. So first of all, you need to learn how to buzz your lips. In order to buzz your lips, you would need to form your embouchure. This could be easily done by saying to bring your lips together. And by I mean around 3 consecutive M's, because as I said before, it will bring your lips together, which should help you in the process of creating the certain form you need in order to buzz your lips. Then as your lips are brought together, firm the corners of your mouth. So once you follow the past 2 instructions, your lips right now should look like this. Now try blowing air out of your lips. For example, there you go. That's how you buzz your lips. If you're still having trouble with buzzing your lips are most likely going to be too tight, like this, or too loose, like this. Now that you know how to buzz your lips, all you have to do is buzz your lips on the mouthpiece. This should help you create sound on the trumpet once you connect it to the main body of the trumpet. And first of all, I would recommend practicing your vibration on the mouthpiece by itself first, and then try practicing your lip vibrations by connecting to the main body of the trumpet and then playing. Okay, so I guess in fast motion your practice should look like this. I slide it in together. And now I'm going to practice vibrating my lips on the mouthpiece, which should create sound on the trumpet. Continue practicing properly, as perfect practice ensures improvement. Thank you so much for watching this video. And please continue to support the organization Instruments Without Border. Once again, my name is Claire, and I have just taught you how to make a sound on the trumpet. Thank you, and bye.